How to use and how to withdraw funds from the Trading Arena app. That's what thousands of people worldwide have been asking, and that's why I will show you how to use Trading Arena app, because it claims that I have some funds on this app, but there is one challenge that you will find out later. I will also show you better crypto apps for real trading, where you can also withdraw your funds. For example, this one, where you can do real trading in the middle, and when you want to withdraw, you can simply come into assets and then you can click here withdraw. Same also with this crypto app that has more than 300 million users worldwide. You can simply click here for your assets, and whenever you want to withdraw, you can simply click here send, and you can click here to withdraw crypto and choose immediately what you want to withdraw. I will leave you links in the description right here below the video for those better crypto trading apps, so you can get started immediately after watching this video. But now let's go through more in detail. How does Trading Arena app work? I will show you each of these tabs, from the home tab to mining tab, and also other features such as transactions, Trading Arena server, and then also this trading view. When you are on the home page, you will see your balance here in the middle. Then they show you an advertisement, and then they say here that you can get some rewards for watching an advertisement video. They also give you a daily reward, as you can see each day a little bit higher reward. Then we can go back, and here is also a sign up reward. Then they offer a premium right here. I don't recommend this one, of course. You should not pay them money, in my opinion. Just use this for free if you ever use it. Then they also provide the referral reward, pro trading, which is locked, then lucky zone, and mining. This mining is probably something interesting for a lot of people, so let's click for that one. And now it plays a short advertisement. I click here to skip the ad. I click again, and here is the mining. You can see that I have currently two miners, this one, and then I'm able to add miner right here. Notice that each miner that you add is usually a little bit more expensive in these in-game currencies. For example, this one that gives me 10 for each 30 seconds, it was 5k, but the next miner is already 15k. And then you can click here to boost. You can see my balance there, and when I click this one, the balance grows all the time. And then if you want to get auto boost, you can watch an advertisement right here. When you click for this wallet icon, it will open for you this view where you will see your last 100 transactions where you got the rewards. You can see minor rewards, watch video, daily rewards, so everything that you have received. And here when you click for this one, you are able to join Trading Arena where you can earn more tokens. And here on the left you are able to trade. Let me just give you an example. If I click for up, it shows the result right here. If I want to change the direction, I'm able to click this one, and you can see the result changes in real time. And here when the timer goes to 0, you are able to get your results. Let's go back to the home by clicking here, and we are right back here, and you are able to click these 3 lines right here, and here you can also set up even more settings. Now that you have seen in great detail how to use Trading Arena app, let's start going through the big question that thousands of people are asking: how to withdraw funds from this app. And I will start by showing you first how to withdraw from other trading apps that our subscribers like to use. So let's go back right here, and I already showed you how it works on Binance and BYBIT. You click a withdraw or send button. Let's go for another trading app called CoinEx. This one you can use even privately, and the process is the same. You go on the right corner and then you click this withdraw button, and then you are able to withdraw. You can choose the currency here in the top, you can choose the network, and you can choose your withdrawal address and how much you want to receive. So the process with these trading apps is the same. You click your assets, then you click for withdraw, send, whatever, and then you execute the withdrawal. However, let's take a look at Trading Arena. Where is a button that would say send or withdraw? If we go, for example, here in the wallet, it shows first an advertisement and then it simply shows the transactions. Here it showed the mining section, and the home it doesn't show withdraw, neither here on the Trading Arena or in the trading view. So now the question is how to withdraw, and let me show the answer. When I put back right here, I go back to the Play Store here, Trading Arena Crypto Simulator, and that is the key. It's a crypto simulator, and if we click here for the creators of this app, Edu System OU, and it's created by the same people who created Cryptomania Trading Simulator. If you remember my previous video about it on my YouTube channel right here, that has more than 84,000 views already and more than 1,000 people are liking it. The idea with the Trading Arena is roughly the same as with Cryptomania. It's a trading simulator. If you don't know what it means, let me show you examples through Binance and BYBIT. When you come to the BYBIT app and you can click here for trade, you are able to do real trading with the real funds that you can withdraw on spot, futures, options trading and TradFi. But if you want to do trading simulator, so demo trading, you can click here more and then you can scroll down a little bit, you can see trade, and here demo trading. When you click it, it says welcome to demo trading. We can click for the assets and you can see these are demo funds. So this is kind of like the Cryptomania or Trading Arena simulator now. You can see we can buy, but this is for demo trading. If we go back to the order book, you can scroll this one to the right. You can choose the order types right here, and it works in the same way as Trading Simulator. These are not real funds on the demo account, but when you go back here, clicking start live trading, now you can withdraw the funds. And the same is also with Binance, Coinex and other crypto apps. You have real trading and then you have the trading simulator. Now when it comes to Cryptomania and also Trading Arena, they have only the crypto simulator. They don't have the real trading, and that's why it says also here play. It doesn't say open, like if you go to Binance app, BYBIT app, Coinex app, it shows here open. But for these crypto and trading simulators, it only says play. So we click it and now you understand why it doesn't have a withdrawal button. If anybody claims that you would be able to withdraw funds from Trading Arena or they provide some service, don't trust them, because this is a trading simulator, not a real crypto trading app. If you want to get real crypto trading apps where you can withdraw your funds, you can get my ultimate guide where you get more than 20 apps for trading and growing your wealth. This is a free gift for you as my YouTube viewer. I send you simple step-by-step tutorials with beginner-friendly worldwide opportunities. You simply put your email address right here, click here sign up, and I will send you the best apps into your inbox for free. You can get my guide for free in the description below my video, so you can simply click right here, and here you will see the ultimate guide for the best apps and also these apps that I have mentioned for real trading, such as BYBIT and Binance. For example, if you click here for BYBIT, it will open you the BYBIT registration page where you will see my face, my name, and get my welcome gifts. You will see here your welcome rewards. You can simply sign up using your email, Google, Apple or Telegram, and click here get my welcome gifts. BYBIT provides real spot trading, futures trading, TradFi for Forex, also options trading, and also stock trading in the TradFi. And if you click here for more, you notice that they also provide automated trading bots. Then they also provide many other trading products and campaigns, crypto loans for real loans, crypto card where you can spend your crypto in real life, then also BYBIT earn products. So lots of great products where you can manage your finances and then use that funds in everyday life to pay for your shopping, groceries, for whatever you need. You will find all the resources in the description right here below the video.